Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Forest River Heritage Glen 270FKS. This is going to be a front kitchen with the rear bedroom layout. Your dry weight is 7,818 pounds. GVWR is 9,925 pounds. Cargo capacity is 2,107 pounds with a 1,125 pound hitch weight. Exterior height is 11 feet 2 inches and overall length is 33 foot 9 inches. And exterior width is 8 feet even. Freshwater tank is 57 gallons, black water 30 gallons, and your gray water tank is 90 gallons. And this has a 14-foot awning. Hey folks, Eric here at RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over the 2022 Heritage Glen 270 FKS. And starting up front here, we get our nice little outside camp kitchen. Nice little griddle. You got refrigerator right here. Everything slides in, closes behind a door. It's outside the elements when you don't want it out here, and it's super easy to roll out. Moving on back on the 270 FKS, you have a nicely located entertainment center. You have outside speakers. Nice big awning on this trailer. So, you know, having a nice big awning is really nice. It's going to offer you all the shade that you want. And a really cool feature is that it has the main entrance right here that goes into the kitchen and living area. And it has the back entrance here, and that goes into the bedroom. Really cool feature. Now, moving on back, you'll see this big sticker right here. It says wide stance suspension. Well, what does that mean? Wide stance suspension is a nice feature to have. Now, when you get most trailers that have, you know, the axles that are really close to each other, that way you go in through a place like Indianapolis, Indiana. Anybody that's ever known, you know what I'm talking about. They've got some pretty big potholes going through Indianapolis. And to have both of those wheels drop it down into a pothole, that's going to kind of make the trailer kind of sway and jaunt around, sometimes in a way you might not want it to, you know, but having a wider distance, the wider stance between the axles, that means one wheel goes into the pothole at a time. So on rougher roads, this thing is going to be a lot more stable behind your tow vehicle. It's going to steer a lot better when you're backing it into a campsite. There's a lot of great features that we can go on and on about when it comes to the wide stance. And while we're back here, I wanted to talk about this storage compartment. This is probably one of the coolest outside storage compartments that you can get on a travel trailer. It, I guess technically could be a pass-through storage. There's your door right here, and then there's also a door right there all the way on the back. Now, you have access to the same space, whether it's from here or on the back. So really a lot of storage space for your outside chairs, your fishing poles, your tackle boxes, all of your gear like your leveling blocks, all kinds of stuff you could put back there. And lastly, coming back, we have our roof ladder, we have our backup camera prep. You have all of your utility hookups. They're super easy to get to right here. And if you guys are liking this video, go ahead and check us out. Hit the subscribe button first and then like this video. We're doing all kinds of walkthrough videos. We're doing part showcases. We're doing short walkthrough videos. You can find us just about anywhere online. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now we're on TikTok too. So we're putting out content almost on a daily basis. So if you like this video, you want to see more, or you want to check into what we're doing here every day, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button, and we got plenty of content coming your way. So coming inside here to the 270 FKS, first thing you're going to notice is that this thing is pretty wide open. You do have the ability to use this trailer with the slides in. So say you stop on the side of the road for the night, you want to stop and sleep, well, you got an outside door that'll get you right into the bedroom and the bathroom. This door will get you into the kitchen. That slide only comes about to right here, so you can still use your chairs, you can use your freestanding table and chairs, you can use your kitchen, you can open up the refrigerator, you can use this trailer almost to its full capacity with the slides closed. This is a really nice feature to have because when you're traveling, you know, one of the biggest things that somebody might buy an RV is that they don't have to stay in a hotel room. So kind of a hindrance there is that some places that you might park might not be able to allow you to open up those slides or even open them up all the way. So to have that ability to do that, it's a really, really nice feature. And walking in, you get other features too. You get nice big pantry right here. Has light in there. Your control panel, super easy to get to. Coming into the kitchen, you have your 12-volt electric refrigerator. This is going to be 11.9 cubic feet. So really a huge refrigerator for an RV. And coming around into the kitchen, you get nice countertop space. This is huge. I mean, you get a whole lot of space in here. Microwave, range and stove, a lot of storage space up above. And you get nice stainless steel deep sink, and you even get your front windshield for the view when you're doing your dishes. Now coming around to this side, as we kind of saw before, you can get your freestanding table and chairs. So this thing is just going to feel like home. You get your nice, nicely accented colored roller shades. Those are vinyl material. They're really nice. They offer a lot of blackout capability for the room. So if you're a day sleeper, go ahead and just shut them down. You're going to get plenty of light out of this place. Also here, you get your theater seating. This is your theater seating option. Now there's other options that you can get in this trailer, and it's important that when you talk to your salesperson, ask them, hey, what kind of options can I get in this trailer? Because there's a lot of things you can do that can make this kind of custom tailored to you and what your likings might be. Say you're going to be bringing your kid along with you. Instead of having the theater seating, you can get maybe a hide-to-bed sofa. So you can get 2 air conditioners. You can get all kinds of stuff. So make sure you're talking to your salesman about options. But this one specifically, we have the theater seating. Has lit up cup holders. Has a nice storage compartment right here in the middle. They recline. Really a lot of cool features. And it sits right across from the entertainment center. The TV is on a swivel. You have your safety strap here to make sure it doesn't go wild and crazy when you're driving down the road. And you have your nice 5100 BTU fireplace. Helps knock the cold off on those cold mornings and evenings. Now, coming back into the bathroom, one of the features that you get that's a really nice upgraded feature is Heritage Glen comes standard. Every model that Heritage Glen comes out with comes standard with a porcelain toilet. You get plenty of space for walking around in here. You get your nice corner shower with the skylight that is curved, so you get extra height in your shower. The nice glass doors. You get your medicine cabinet, sink. There's towel storage and toiletry storage right next to the sink. So plenty of space for everything you're going to need. Now, in the bedroom, there's a ton of space in here. As you see, I mean, I'm a big guy. Walking around in this room, there is more than enough space for walking around. Like, this feels comfortable. There's so much space to get around, and I don't feel like I'm having to shift or shimmy through anything. You know, we have a second entrance right here. It's a little pocket door. The bed slides out. This is going to be your queen size bed. There's bedside tables, so you can have your phone, your water, your book, anything you keep next to your bed. And there's windows on both sides. Now, in a travel trailer, kind of an unusual feature that you come across in a travel trailer, specifically in a rear bedroom travel trailer, is that you get this whole back wall as a closet. And in this closet, you get a washer and dryer prep. That washer and dryer prep, you got enough room there for a whole stackable unit, washer and dryer. You don't have to get one of those combo units. I don't like combo units. I'm sure you probably don't either. So if you got the space for the stackable, get the stackable. If you don't want a washer or dryer, you have your nice rod in here to hang up all your stuff. And of course, there's light in there. Closing this side up, we come over to this side. We get even more storage. This is a huge wardrobe. Huge wardrobe. There's storage over top here. There's the light up here. Plenty of spots for your shoes, or you could even maybe have a doggy bed for your dog to kind of come into the bedroom and sleep with you, so you don't have to share the bed no more. Nice little chest of drawers here. Plenty of space. This thing, it feels like home. There's so much room to just move around. You're able to use it when it's closed up. Everything that we're seeing on this trailer just makes it an easy winner for me. So if you like this trailer, go ahead and reach out to us. We can't wait to talk to you about all the options you can get in this thing. And also, I want you to go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, follow us on YouTube. We've got so much content coming out every single day. And when you guys are ready to order your Heritage Glen 270 FKS, go ahead and give me a call. My name's Eric at 937-843-4380. Thanks.